Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have some more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro to review for you. In this video, I'll be reviewing cases from a company called Humixx. If you don't know who they are, check them out. They make cases for a lot of different phones, and the cases are really good. They fit really well, and they're good quality. The best thing is that they won't break your bank either when you decide to pick them up. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these 3 cases to review. They sent me one with like a camera protection slide. They sent me a waterproof case and then a magnetic case for MagSafe. So we'll check out all 3 of them in this video. I'll have links in the description, so if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so from Amazon. But let's get into it. I'm gonna just pick a case and let's see which one we got. You know, plain and simple packaging. Nothing fancy here, but let's see what case we have. I think this is their waterproof case. It says warranty and support. Alright, so in the box there was a lot. You have a lanyard, you have the top piece here, you have the waterproof case. It has some plugs here for the microphones, and then the USB charging port down here. You have the vine rockers, and then the cutout for the action button. You also get instructions on how to make it waterproof. It tells you to make sure it has it all sealed. So when you get this case, you can definitely read all of that. But for the purpose of this video, now it does come with a built-in screen protector. The instruction says you should remove your screen protector. For the video, I'm not removing my screen protector, but here's the back too. So it's going to show off the beauty of your phone and protect it from, you know, it's supposed to be waterproof. Even has a little cover for the action button there. And they give you extra ones too. So what you want to do is place the phone in like this. Secure it in there. Then you take this piece and you want to work it around. Now, how hard is it? How hard will it be to get this in here? We'll find out. Now, I do have a screen protector on there, so it may not fit the best, but it looks like it's coming on. To get that watertight seal, you want to make sure you have it in there good, which it does look like it's on there. So you have it in there, you have the screen protector and the back. It shows off the beauty. It gives you that water protection that you look for. You have these little plugs here. So if you're going on the lake and you want to have that extra waterproofing, this case may be for you. So you can just put it here and bam, and that's when you want to talk. You can, you know, have speakerphone. But if not, you cover that up and it gives you that waterproof. The power button is not bad. I mean, it's not the easiest to press, but it's not bad at all. Vine rockers work great. The action button, I still have the waterproof on there, but let's see. You can still get to it and press it. Now, one thing I did notice, it looks like it's lifting up my screen protector a little bit. But it does tell you to take it off. And the touch sensitivity is still there too, so it's not bad at all. So if you go into the lake and you want this waterproof case and not have a bulky case, this one may be for you. You do get camera protection. A lot of camera protection there because it's covered up too. So it has little plastic things on the camera. So you don't have to worry about scratching up your screen either because you have the built-in screen protector. You do get lip action, camera protection there. The grip is really great too because you have the grip there. Everything does line up at the bottom as I showed you before. You can tell everything lines up too. You have a lot of room there. Man, what y'all think? Doesn't add bulk or anything to your phone. So, I mean, it's a little bulky, but not much. There's a side profile. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem, but we can find out. You can wireless charge without any issues. I didn't think you would have a problem, but this is their waterproof case. Man, I love how it shows off the beauty. So if you have the white one or the natural titanium, it will show off the beauty. It shows off that blue. I love the grip too. Overall fit is good because it's all sealed up, so the fit is good on here too. But let's check out the next case. Give me a couple seconds. I'll be right back with another case and we can try that one on. Oh yeah, and before I do that, to take it apart, you can just put your fingers here and you just want to take your time. Don't break it. And you can take the phone. You just reverse what you did and pop your phone out. And then you have your phone. So easy way to install it. I mean, uninstall it too. So nice case from them. But let's keep this going. All right, so this one won't show off the beauty, but it protects your camera with this little slide out. A lot of cases for the iPhone, the companies are doing that type of slide. I don't know what y'all think about it. Let me know in the comments, but let's see how this thing fits. So you do get that camera protection even without the slide. You get a lot of camera protection. You also get lip action pretty much around the whole phone. The back protects it. Doesn't show off the beauty, but it protects it. The power button is easy to press, feels great. Vine rockers also feel great. Does have a little alert slide, or I should say action button there. And it's easy to press. It lines up really well, especially when you want to press it. The only complaint I have, the Vine rockers are ridged and the action button is ridged, so it's kind of hard to say which one you're pressing. So they could have made the Vine rocker smooth and put the ridge on the action button, so that way you know right off the bat which button you're trying to press. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The grip is pretty good too. I wish they could have had some patterns on here to give it a little bit better grip. But it's not bad though. Overall bulkiness is it's not much, but this whole camera thing does add some, as you can tell. You see how far it sticks out, so it does add some bulkiness, but it's not a heavy case. When you're thinking bulky, like heavy duty case, not that, but you do get, you know, you have that extra camera bump there. So when you lay it down, it doesn't rock too much unless you press the top. But it does slip on a little slant there. Let's check the overall fit. It's not bad. Pretty good. I like this case too. I don't know about the camera cutout though. I think I probably would never use that. I probably just have it open like this. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Can you wireless charge? Let's check that out. And yes, you can wireless charge. As you can tell there, it is charging with no issues. Hopefully. There you go. Charging with no issues. You just want to make sure that the puck is in the right spot. So this is their camera cutout or cover case here. We have one more to go. I think it's the MagSafe. Let's get into it. All right, so here it is. It's MagSafe, but this also has a kickstand in there. I did not notice that before. It comes in different colors. This is blue, matches my blue titanium. I kind of like that. Now, Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Do you get lip action? Yes, it's a little bit. I wouldn't drop it or slam it down, but you get some. The power button is nice and easy to press. The Vine rockers are the same, feel nice and easy to press. The action button is in line and works great. The one thing I noticed with this case and the camera cutout, they need some type of grip on the sides. Because this is a smooth back, and I don't feel like I'm gonna drop it, but it could use a little bit more grip there. This one is not as bulky as the camera cutout case either, so doesn't really add bulk. It's really a lightweight. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up here too, as you can tell, and it's not bulky though. Let's check out the kickstand. Can I do it this? So you can do it vertically, or you can do it horizontally like that if you want to watch your favorite YouTuber on TV. Maybe you can even hold it like this too. Bam, you can even hold it like a ring holder. Versatile. Overall fit, this one fits better. Not really any movement there. Man. So this is a tight fit case. Except for up here, it's a little loose, but everywhere else it fits really good. Can you wireless charge, and how strong is the magnet? Let's check it out. Magnet is pretty strong. Not bad at all. Passes the Forbes Tech Reviews test. Now, it's on there. That's a pretty good magnet there. I don't know. I like this case a lot too. I'm going to check out the different colors. But if you want to check out any of these cases, please let me know. I'll have the links in the description. You can go to their channel on Amazon or their page and pick out different cases, because they do have multiple cases there. Which one was your favorite? Do you like the waterproof case? Maybe you like the camera cutout cover, or you just like the plain clear MagSafe case? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.